Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to use the Perplexity AI for coding and technical queries like a pro. Let's get started. First, go to your browser and head to perplexityai.com, and if you have no account, you can still use the basic features for free. And then here, you can ask questions and specific coding questions. You can be direct to the point and try the prompts like this. And also, you can ask any topics that you want. Here, you can also share the code for debugging. You can paste your code with a clear description for this issue, like you can prompt, here's my Python code and why am I getting a type error? The Perplexity will often give you a clear fix with explanation. And then here, you can explore the follow-up questions. You can click the follow-up or task for more. You can say that, can you optimize this, or what are the best practices? It remembers the context for smarter replies. And also, you can use the sources and citations. The Perplexity AI shows sources for its answers. It's great for fact checking, learning, or diving deeper into official docs and GitHub pages. And you can use it for cheat sheets, code comparisons, or learning new languages faster. Perplexity AI, this way, you'll debug smarter, code faster, and learn better, like a pro. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.